Okay, so we know 5x plus 4 equals what?
280 over 2.
Or 104?
Yeah.
We're okay with that?
Yeah.
All right, so we subtract 4, 5x equals 100, so x equals 20. All right, what about B?
This one scares me.
All right, I know it looks all crazy. I know that this angle right here is 2x plus 11. I know that this angle right here is 4x minus 3. I want you to notice something here. Do you see this angle here? That's what we're talking about. And we see this angle here. What do they share in common? Triangle.
Same arc.
They are both inscribed angles for the same arc, so they must be equal. So we subtract 2x from both sides. 11 equals 2x minus 3. We add 3 to both sides. 11, 12, 13, 14 equals 2x. Divide by 2, x equals 7. Basic, simple algebra right there. 14 divided by 2. It's not 1.4, it's 14. Okay. All right, now we got this crazy triangle. This is 1/2 x. This is 1/3 x plus 5. Let's go back real quick to our theorems. What did they say about triangles? They said 10.10 says a triangle in a circle is a right triangle if and only if its hypotenuse is the diameter. Is the hypotenuse the diameter for this circle, for this triangle? Okay, so this is 90 degrees. The interior angles of a triangle add up to be? So 1/2 x plus 1/3 x plus 5 plus 90 equals 180. So we get 1/2 x plus 1/3 x plus 95 equals 180. Subtract 195 from both sides. Subtract 95, not 195. And we get 85. All right, here's the hard part. 1/2 plus 1/3. We're going to make them both 1/6. 2 times what gives me 6? 3, so we have 3 on top. 2 times, what times 3 equals 6? 2. So we get 5, 6. But that is not what I asked before, Nathan. So I did not ask for the answer. So hold up a little bit. So how do I get rid of a fraction? I times by the reciprocal. Okay, can somebody do 85 times 6 divided by 5 for me? You should get 5 times 6 divided by 5. You should get 102 degrees.
Whoa. Can we just have a minute?
Yes. So it's just the fractions that are throwing you off, right?
Yep.
It's not the whole how to set it up or anything like that. Okay.
I mean, I've never
You could divide by 5, 6, and you get the same answer. So.
and then like times that number
No, just do 85 divided by 5, 6. That'll give you 102. Okay. I am going to just start this one over here. We know this angle.
Yeah.
We know that this angle right here is 1/2 x plus 12. I know you're not talking while I'm talking right now. We know this angle right here is 1/3 x plus 3. What do we know? Which one's the central angle? The one in black or the one in red?
Black.
So this is the central angle, which means the what is the same? The arc is the same. So if I do 1/2 x plus 12 and consider that my arc, what do I do to it to get my inscribed angle?
Divide by 2.
And then we solve for x. I'm just going to give you the answer. I know you can figure this out.
You just multiply it by 2 and stuff like that.
Okay. I do want to go back and do some of 10 point, I know it says 10.3, but 10.4a. So I want to do a few of these. How about this? We'll only do, because all the rest is repeat of stuff we've already done, just different. Let's do example 3. How do you do A on the first page? 17 times 2. Aren't you? All right, let's look at A. On example 3. Example 3A. Okay, remember it says a quadrilateral can be inscribed in a circle if and only if its opposite angles are supplementary. So, if it's inscribed in a circle, they must be supplementary. So 2x must equal what? What plus 100 is 180?
80.
So what does x equal? Okay. So y plus 87 must equal. So y has to equal what? 93.
So
The opposite has to be supplementary. Opposite angles has to be supplementary. Yep. Yep. You want to do one more and then we're good?
no.
Let's do one more. Okay. So let's do D. What is x for 6 to be?
90.
Okay. 2y plus y has to equal. So 3y equals. So what does y equal? 60. Sorry. We feel comfortable with this stuff? Your homework is just like this? Yes, ma'am? The opposite ones. Not the same side, but the opposite angles have to be equal to 180. Okay.